Hi everybody, it's Peter Brennan here at the Wolfgang Spread Trading Club, and today I'm going to take you through a stock like Amazon and how I typically trade these type of instruments. Now when you're trading a tech stock like this, it's well-known tech stock, you need to be pretty careful because these type of stocks are heavily manipulated by hedge funds and market makers who just love to throw the price around and basically take out a lot of retail traders. So for example, if you look at Amazon here on the daily chart, you can see that it's got a very large earnings gap there, and typically those gaps almost always close in time, so they're very good targets to chase. But how do you get in safely? Because once you gap it up on the earnings, who knows how high it's going to go. Now, one important point, whenever you're playing a stock like this that's heavily manipulated, it's very important that you use a stop. You should never get into a stock like this and be stubborn about the price. Always use a stop. So I saw this gap and I wanted to play it, and what I was looking for was a turn to be confirmed. And you can see here that we had a nice trend catcher entry signal on the short side. It was around here at about 130, 131. And my target was 96, 97. So that was a nice, and I was using a tight stop, so that was a nice risk reward ratio. Well, as it turns out, I got stopped out on that trade. But the important thing here is you get back in when the opportunity presents itself. And it's possible to do that because I'm using a very high risk reward ratio on multiple. So I can be stopped out a couple of times and I can get in on the third or fourth attempt and still make money on the trade. So I'm back in short now, and I was back in around here about 134. So I'm in the trade, and I'm still in the trade. I've taken a little bit of profit already to cover some of my costs. So it's a free trade now. I can't lose money on the trade. And my target is 96.87. And when I'm on my spread bet platform, I've put in my stop and I put in my target and I walk away, and then I can come back and see if the trade's worked. That trade is probably going to take quite a while to play out because I'm trading off a daily chart. Now to finesse the entry, I actually scale down to a 4-hour chart. I should say that. Let me see, here's a 4-hour chart in Amazon. That was the peak, and here's some nice entry points here. Around 96.87 is all the way down here. Around here. And my entry points are these entry signals on the downslope. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and see you again soon.